Hello and welcome to your 10-minute meditation. This meditation is a wonderfully relaxing guided visualization where you get to experience somewhere very special to you. And for the next 10 minutes, you can just relax and let my voice guide you. So get yourself nice and comfortable, sitting, reclining, or lying down, whatever feels good to you. Then take a few deep breaths. Deep belly breaths with nice long exhales. In your own time. Letting your body relax a little bit. Good. And then you can gently close your eyes. And while we enjoy this visualization together, you can let your breath flow in and out naturally. There's no need to try and control your breathing in any way. And now take your time and begin to think of a place that you find really peaceful and calming. And now that could be a real place that you visited. It could be indoors or outside. It might be somewhere you go regularly, or somewhere you've just visited once. Or maybe it's a place you've seen in a movie or online. Or you're free to just begin to imagine your perfect peaceful place, creating it in your mind just for you. Maybe outside in nature, the ocean, the countryside, on top of a hill, or by a gentle stream. Or indoors, somewhere cozy and relaxing. The choice is yours. Take your time. Just begin to see this peaceful place in your mind's eye. As you slowly look around, what do you see? What do you see nearby? Focus on any details that interest you. And what do you see in the distance? Is there any movement that you can see? Or is everything very still? With every breath you take, this peaceful place becomes clearer in your mind. And your mind relaxes. And your body relaxes. And in this place that you're seeing, what colors do you see? Are they bright colors or softer colors? What textures and shapes can you see? Is the air around you warm, or is it refreshing? Is the air moving, or is it still? And as you breathe in, are there any nice aromas that you can smell? Maybe you feel like letting out a contented sigh, or a gentle yawn. And what can you hear? Are there any sounds nearby? Are there any sounds in the distance? Or is it perfectly quiet? the longer you spend here just relaxing and quietly noticing what's around you, the more real this place becomes to you. And your body relaxes. And your mind relaxes. Just keep noticing what's around you. You can even add things to this place. Or change things if that pleases you. Because this is your very special, peaceful place. And take a nice deep and relaxing breath in. As you exhale, relax your body a little bit more. And why not gently focus your attention on your favorite parts of this place? What is it that you see or hear that pleases you the most? Maybe allow yourself a gentle smile. Because all is well. Because all is well. I'm going to leave you in silence for a minute longer to continue enjoying this peaceful place. Good. Then gradually coming back to yourself. Maybe gently wiggling your fingers and toes. Slowly blinking your eyes open. And allowing the space you're in to slowly come back into focus. Take your time. Move gently and so slowly. And I'm sending you peace. And I'm sending you love. And I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.